So this week we're gonna focus on text features, and I'll get more into that, but we are focusing on this now because this is gonna help us when we're going to start working on main idea and key details next week. So we're gonna do this for just a week, get familiar with it, and it will lead into next week, okay? So text features, by using special text features and search tools, you can find important information quickly and easily. So by knowing these things, it's going to help you when you're trying to find key details or important words in the story, okay? So when you go into a store, you use signs and labels to help you find what you need. Text features are similar to those signs and labels. They are special parts of a text that help you locate the facts and details you're looking for. Text features include headings, keywords that are shown in bold print, and boxed information called sidebars. Digital text that read online have search tools such as hyperlinks. These text features let you access more information by clicking on the link. Read this science article on the lungfish. How do the text features help you? All right, so let's read this, and then we are going to match the text features to what it does, okay? Because tomorrow you will be actually identifying different text features, okay? So long live the lungfish. If you had to be a fish, you might want to be a lungfish. Why? Because the lungfish can do some amazing things that most other fish cannot. So right here I have a big title, okay? It might be telling me what this part of the story is about, so keep that in mind. The lungfish can breathe air. If its lake or river dries up, the lungfish drags itself over land until it finds water in which to live. A fish underground. Okay, now we have a different heading. If the lungfish can't find water to live in, it digs a hole in the ground and sleeps there until the water returns. This type of sleep is called estivation. Hey, look, I have this bold word right here. So that might be something that's very important that I need to know, okay? Fun fact. So I have a little sidebar over here with just some little information, okay? Lungfish live in South America, Australia, and Africa. Lungfish can live for more than 80 years. Lungfish have been around since before the dinosaurs. Okay, so let's go over our text features one more time. I have my title here, and this basically is just telling me what I'm reading about, what this whole text is about, okay? Next, I have my headings. I have a heading here, and I have a heading here, and that is telling me what this section of this passage is about. So this section is different than this section, and they both have different headings, okay? Here I have my bold word. That is a keyword. That is a word that I should know, and it's going to be very important that I know what this means, okay? And lastly, I have a sidebar, okay? This sidebar is just giving me some more information, okay? So what you need to do now is, I just went over it, so if you need that extra help, make sure you rewind the video and re-listen, okay? You are just matching what the text feature goes to, okay? So this tells what the whole passage is about. The whole passage. Is it sidebar, title, keyword, or heading? Okay. Next, this shows what part of the passage is about. Is that sidebar, title, keyword, or heading? Next, this calls attention to an important word that you should pay attention to. Is that sidebar, title, keyword, or heading? And lastly, this gives information related to the main article. So it gives extra information. Is that sidebar, title, keyword, or heading? So go ahead and just fill in the word over here in this box. And then, as always, I will post the turn and talk, but the turn and talk will be the academic talk below lists several text features. Which features would you use to preview an article to get a feeling for what it was about? Okay, so if I wanted to know what this story was about, what text feature would I use to find that?